if you think double-breasted suits are too formal, too flamboyant, or require too much confidence to pull off, you're not alone. But this single garment might be the most underestimated piece in menswear. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why a double-breasted suit deserves a place in your wardrobe, what makes it so versatile despite common misconceptions, and why it might be the most elegant investment you will ever make in menswear. Let's dive in. First, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly makes men so hesitant about double-breasted suits and avoid them completely? Perhaps because of outdated stereotypes. Too formal, too dandyish, requires confidence, makes you look like an old man, doesn't suit slender men. I had all these concerns before commissioning my first double-breasted suit. Actually, it was my 7th suit, and I thought if I'm doing pinstripes, it has to be double-breasted. Here's something that might surprise you. After commissioning that first double-breasted suit in charcoal pinstripe, I immediately regretted not trying one earlier. I like the double suit so much that now, out of more than a dozen suits, 50% are double-breasted. That's an insane ratio considering my initial skepticism. And here's the thing, I believe many men have this exact same revelation once they actually try one. The question isn't whether you can pull off a double-breasted suit. The question is, why aren't you wearing one already? This single decision opened my eyes to how adaptable this style really is. Let's understand what you are actually choosing when you go double-breasted. The configuration determines everything about the suit's character. The classic 6 with 2 working buttons configuration gives you that timeless, elegant silhouette. It's as classic as it gets, and certainly the most formal option. But here's what's interesting. This traditional configuration works beautifully when styled down with an open shirt or knit sweater. For a different approach, consider a 6 with 1 working button configuration. It allows the lapel to have a longer line that can make you look taller. Fabric choice depends on your lifestyle. For formal occasions, worsted wool delivers the crisp structure you need. For a more relaxed approach, textured fabrics like flannel or corduroy soften the formality while maintaining sophistication. My absolute personal favorite, high twist weaves. They are breathable, resist creasing, and work beautifully from spring through autumn, making them the most practical choice for year-round wear. My pinstripe fresco is proof that even bold patterns work beautifully in double-breasted. The key is selecting fabrics that complement the double-breasted silhouette, without being overly bold, ensuring the suit enhances your lifestyle rather than overwhelming it. Next, let's debunk the classic myth related to double-breasted suits once and for all. Let's address the 3 biggest hesitations I hear. Too formal, requires confidence, doesn't suit my body type. Here's the truth. All 3 stem from seeing poorly fitted double-breasted suits. When tailored correctly, a double-breasted works exactly like a single-breasted. It adapts to your styling choices. Formal meeting, perfect. Casual weekend, remove the tie and open the shirt. Ultimately, your styling dictates the formality level and the jacket will adapt to your needs. Let's talk practicality. A quality double-breasted suit offers something completely different. An unmistakable presence and sophistication that single-breasted suits simply can't match. It's instant sophistication in any context. While your single-breasted might blend in, your double-breasted stands out appropriately. The return on investment is exceptional. This single suit transitions seamlessly from board meetings to weddings to weekend events, giving you countless styling options. So what makes a double-breasted suit essential? 3 key factors. It elevates your presence in any setting. It offers unmatched versatility between formal and smart casual, just like the single-breasted suit. It's a style statement that never goes unnoticed for the right reasons. The double-breasted is an essential part of a thoughtful, well-curated wardrobe. It proves that elegance and practicality aren't mutually exclusive. Once you understand the reality behind the myths, dismissing double-breasted suits becomes impossible. Before my first double-breasted commission, I had all the same hesitations you might have. Too bold, too formal, not for my lifestyle. I was completely wrong on every count. Once you experience how a double-breasted transforms your presence, you might find yourself reaching for it more often than your single-breasted suits.